Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be doing my second unboxing of this box right here, the EYESCREAM Beauty Box. This is like one of the new boxes that I've been doing on my channel. If you guys want to know what I got in my EYESCREAM Beauty Box, then keep on watching! Alrighty guys, before I get into my box, I just want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome all, my name is Ayesha. I am a makeup content channel. We talk about lots of things makeup related, such as what's going on with all the makeup subscription boxes in the beauty community. I love trying new beauty products, skincare products, hair products, fragrances, you name it. I love it all, which is why I started my channel. I do a lot of makeup subscription unboxings on my channel, so if you're ever wondering which makeup subscription box to get, then you probably want to watch my channel because I have a nice selection of different makeup subscription boxes on my channel. You could always just go to my playlist and see all the beautiful videos I've done for the time that I've had my YouTube channel. I also do makeup hauls, I do makeup advent calendars unboxings, makeup mystery unboxings, anything makeup related you'll see on this channel. If these are things you like to watch, I know I like to watch videos like these, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel if you're not already. Become a part of my YouTube family. And if you like my video, just give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna get into the box. Alrighty guys, so I'm still new to this box, so I'm just gonna look at my phone to tell you guys about like the box a little bit because I still don't know everything at the moment. So you can get the big box, which what I got is the big box. This is $25, but they also have like a beauty bag, which is $12.50. So that kind of reminds me of like how Ipsy is, because they have like, they would have like the $25 and like the $12. Kind of reminds me kind of that type of concept. You also get to choose, let's see, like I believe one item product in the box. I think I chose like the palette. So you can choose like one item. And it's a monthly subscription box. So let's see what I got. So they said that they finally like redid the box. And this is like going to be like the new box. So that's kind of cool. I like the packaging. This is cute. I'm here for it. Definitely here for it. When you open up the box, this is what it looks like. The card just fell out. It says Happy Holidays. It tells you what you got on your card. I have a whole bunch of these squiggly things. And let's see what I got. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that's calling to me is this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Glowing Palette. So let's see what it looks like. And I don't know about you guys, but lately a lot of like the indie stuff that I've been getting has been like amazing. Like I'm just like shocked at a lot of the indie stuff that I've been getting that I've actually liked. Particularly from even this makeup subscription, like my last box I got, I loved everything for the most part. So this looks beautiful. This looks like a highlighting palette. These are the colors here. They look beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can't wait to try this out. There's a mirror on the front of the cover as well. So far I'm loving my first item. It says that retailed for $50. Whoa, why is this so much money? I mean, I'm gonna try it, but I don't know if I would pay $50 for a brand that I really don't know too much about. It's not, you know, but we'll see, The next palette I got, which I'm loving that there's two types of palettes in here. I got like my highlighting palette, and now I got like an eyeshadow palette, which I think is cool. This is a Peppermint Mocha Ruby May palette, I've received Ruby May palettes before in other subscription boxes, and I actually really did like the quality of the palettes. So I'm super excited for this. I love that it's like a Christmas theme palette. It does have a sleeve over it. Oh, the colors look so beautiful. Wow. I am super excited to try this palette out. Guys, look at this palette right here. Look at this palette right here. Wow. Like, you see? BoxyCharm, you guys gotta get it together. You guys gotta get it together because I just filmed my BoxyCharm unboxing and there was like no like color, like no makeup. Like, you see how this was only $25, but like you have a whole fun eyeshadow palette. Now they did have an eyeshadow palette in there, but it was just like, it was like blah. It was like nothing, like, you know, this is like fun. I'm excited to try this, and I'm excited to try this. Like, these indie subscription boxes are stepping up their game with their stuff. I gotta give it to them. The next thing I got here is a, what is this? A liquid lipstick. I just wanted to tell you how much the palette was. The palette was, I'm sorry, I'm looking at my, wow, that's how you know I'm shy. I just filmed my BoxyCharm video and I'm looking at the BoxyCharm thing, trying to find the price on here. Alright, so I should have took away all my other stuff, but I just want to continue filming, so let me get back to the right card now. So it says that palette, the Ruby May palette, was $29. Okay, so the next thing I got here, that even seems like a lot for their brands, but I mean, I do like the pigmentation and I do like their shadow, so I can't really even say. The next thing I got is this little, it's called Base Blue. It's a liquid lipstick for $21. Let's see the color. It looks like a, is this corally? Let me see, hold on. So it looks like a corally brown nudish color. Looks like so. A little wand action. What color is this? Oh, it is like a coral color. It is like a coral color. I wear coral, so that's fine. So, and it's like a neutral coral. I can wear this with a brown lip liner. So I would definitely wear something like this. So, not mad at it. The next thing I got, which I think is so cute, it's sponges in the shape of a snowflake. How cute is this, guys? Look at this. Very in theme with the holiday season. I love, this is so cute, guys. So, so cute. Love this. The next thing I got is by Skin Spectra. It's a from Soul Susan Cosmetics. How much was the sponges? The sponges was $11. And then how much was this? This was $26 for this primer. Is this like an eyeshadow primer? What kind of primer is it? It looks tiny, so I'm guessing eye primer. Pore Camouflage Primer. So this must be for face. So maybe this is just travel size. It says it helps for pore camouflage and squeeze a generous amount on hands. Dab onto moisture skin. Prime all areas. Yes, okay. So it is for the face. But I guess it's just sample size because it's kind of, she tiny. But I'm gonna make it work. I am happy with this box. This is it, by the way, guys. So the 5 items I got was 1. Oh, I dropped the palette. 2, 3, 4. And the palette fell, but I'll just go 5 because you guys already know what the palette looks like. 5. So I have to say, like, it's so funny because my BoxyCharm box that I just did, it was like a hard no. I was not here for it. But this box, I'm here for it. I am here for it. It's fun. You know, they get it. They get it. The people want makeup. You gotta give the people what they want. You can't just have a box and just be throwing stuff together. That worked in the beginning, like when we never had makeup subscription boxes. But now with all of these makeup subscription boxes, like, you gotta step up your game or people are just gonna go to the new competitor. So I gotta give it to them. This box, Ice Cream Beauty Box, was great. I love everything. I'm super happy. I can't wait to try everything. So this box gets from me a... I would give it a 10 out of 10. Actually, this color's not really my favorite, but I would still give it a 10 out of 10 because I would still use it. And if I could use everything in the box, like if I would actually like legit use everything, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I'm happy with the box. Good job, Ice Cream Beauty Box. I am very happy. Can't wait to try all my products out. Any of my subscribers use Ice Cream Beauty Box? What did you guys feel about my box? Let me know in the comments down below. Super excited to try this palette, like I said. The colors are gorgeous and loving the theme. I'm definitely gonna try that tomorrow along with this beautiful like highlighter. This is like so beautiful. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about this box. If you haven't already, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Show your girl some love. Love and miss you guys, but you guys know you'll see me soon in the next video. I did some shopping, lots and lots of shopping. I bought more makeup, so I'm gonna have another makeup haul for you guys. I got one of my favorite boxes, my Mindful Souls box that just came in. And you guys know I love like crystals and all of that stuff. So this box is like so magical and fun for me. So I'm gonna film that for you guys next time, and then I'm gonna do my makeup haul for you guys. So stay tuned for my next videos. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.